Racing just is started. We have Chanzan Dior break quickly at the start. Black Diamond, then the wheel portion comes Actung. Lifeline Born Free comes next. Fast and Free. Then next online is Mr. Lindros. Nerves of Steel, while Coral Beauty is the trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Chanzan Dior by about 3/4 of a length lead. Actung in second, moving up now on the outside is Born Free. Then next online is Black Diamond, Lifeline, Pass and Free, Mr. Lindros, Nerves of Steel and Coral Beauty still racing less back to the leader. We have Chance and Dior moving up now on the outside is Born Free, which now Born Free by our length and a half. Chance and Dior draws back in second. Actung, then here comes Pass and Free. Now moving up on the outside, Mr. Lindros is down on the inside. Nerves of Steel comes next. Black Diamond, then next online is Lifeline, while Coral Beauty still racing less. And as they swing for home, we have Born Free by about 4 lengths. Mr. Lindros in second with about 100 meters of the race. We have Born Free, Mr. Lindros, Fast and Free, Zari outside, and finally it's Born Free. Mr. Lindros, Fast and Free, close between Nerves of Steel and Chanzan Dior.